as an agent of the heart. You were the one to recognize that I had some sweet love coming, and it came as a surprise.
Yes, the man like Peter Sancho.
And looked into your eyes, baby, agent of the heart.
UK, the little that pan the east side, UK, we them can't start, tell them say the future man say that. On the fire.
Without a love of my own.
Listen, got to big up with respect to all the crews listening on all the platforms that currently at the moment. Respect you. We'll see you in the comments over there at iHeart. Trust me, we're well and truly going in. Well, let's take you back to Christmas 2012, like this.
Step away from reality into your fantasies. I've got the perfect hideaway just for you and me. This Christmas I'll be home near the Caribbean Sea. Come spend the holidays with me in a place where the water's blue
Tunes, and you're locked into TS1 Reggae Radio. Yes, I sweet like lollipop.
As the music plays, as the festive melodies flow, we dance the night away. And as the moon shines bright in the starry night, together we're bathing in its light. In a place where the water's blue, the sand is white, birds flying high in the clear blue sky. And there isn't anywhere I'd rather be. I swear I'm in heaven while I'm here. Christmas in paradise. Christmas in paradise. Starfish in the Christmas tree, turkey with some rice and beans, sleigh rides replaced by jet skis on the Caribbean Sea, making beautiful memories with my friends and my family. Peace, joy, love, and harmony, that's what Christmas is to me. And even though there won't be a snowy day, it still is the perfect holiday. In a place where the water's blue, the sand is white, birds flying high in the clear blue sky. And there isn't anywhere I'd rather be. I swear I'm in heaven while I'm here. In a place where the water's blue, the sand is white, birds flying high in the clear blue sky. And there isn't anywhere I'd rather be. I swear I'm in heaven while I'm here. Christmas in paradise. Christmas in paradise.
It's homeward bound.
Christmas in paradise.
Let's pick up to all the Teesside Massive, all the Teesside crew, all the Luton Massive, all Bever, Daniel, Janelle, all Randy Just Cool, all Paulette.
To the man's way. Some of them love Easter, some love Thanksgiving. So everybody can know that Christmas a free thing. To the man's way. Long shot, me shot, thank you. To the loop, doing it. Well, Christmas.
I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. Yo, togetherness and unity for all mankind, every color and creed. No matter where you come from, let's be real. We are one big human family, celebration time.
Well. Pull it one more
music from around
time.
the world. TS1.
To the man's way.
Need we say no more?
Some love Thanksgiving. So everybody can know that Christmas a free thing. To the man's way. Long shot, me shot, thank you. To the loop, doing it.
Musical education.
I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. Yo, togetherness and unity for all mankind, every color and creed. No matter where you come from, let's be real. We are one big human family, celebration time. Bubble and wine, Caribbean massive, come join the line. Maybe man head gone, sorrel and wine, celebrating Christmas time. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa.
Live every day like you never did before. It's Christmas time, you must feel nice. Live every day like you never did before. It's Christmas time, you don't sleep twice. Live every day like you never did before. It's Christmas time, you must feel nice. Live every day like you never did before. It's Christmas time, you don't sleep twice.
I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa.
Celebrate Christmas, put your mind at peace. Nothing to it like the Christmas trees. In Africa, US or the Western Indies. We love to see the gift under the Christmas trees. This year all me want for Christmas. One dozen girl in a me 12 celebration time come let's we link up. Man, me shall send the choir.
I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. I wanna wish you a Merry Merry Christmas, Happy Happy New Year, Happy Happy Kwanzaa. Hang over me so low, I'm gonna get to know you better this Christmas. And as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together this Christmas. Fireside is blazing bright, caroling through the night. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Sugar hand, presents and cards are here. My world is filled with cheers of you. Yeah. This Christmas, and as I look around, your eyes outshine the doubt they do. This Christmas, fireside is blazing bright, caroling through the night. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Hang on from this auto, I'm gonna get to know you better this Christmas. And as we trim the tree, so fun is gonna be together. Yeah. This Christmas, fireside is blazing bright, caroling through the night. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Come on, shake our hands
Yo, it's from my Ferg and you're locked into TS1 Reggae Radio. Yes, I sweet like lollipop.
This Christmas, deck the halls with boughs of holly. This Christmas, fireside is blazing bright, caroling through the night. And this Christmas will be a very special.
Yes. Well, as we skip out of 2012,
Yes, this Christmas.
let's come right up to date. Right off the pre-Christmas press, Beanie Man, the track named Flex.
Reggae music from around the world. TS1 on Spreaker.com.
This is Furious and you're listening to V8UK and producer Rage. Big up.
Blazing for your hot. And yeah, we don't know, so the big bad future man representing for V8 TS1 Reggae Show. I'm also watching a Kush UK, the little dot on the world map, T-side UK, we them can't start tell them say the future man say that. Hot the fire.
Carry Records.
I can never do without it. Outside. Oh, na. Hey, yeah. Them a say in, we say out. When we do,